We'll guide you through how to download files on Google Drive using the latest methods. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Drive website. Make sure you're signed in with your Google account. Once you're in, you'll see your list of files and folders. To download a single file, locate the file you want to download by scrolling through your drive or using the search bar at the top. When you've found your file, right-click on it to open the context menu. You'll see an option that says Download. Go ahead and click that. Your file will start downloading immediately, and you can find it in your browser's Downloads folder. If you need to download multiple files at once, you can do that too. Hold down the Control key on your keyboard if you're using Windows, or the Command key if you're on a Mac, and click on each file you want to download to select them. Once selected, right-click on one of the highlighted files and choose Download. Google Drive will automatically create a zip file containing all the selected files and download it to your computer. Remember, if the files are large, it might take a little while for the zip file to be created and downloaded, so be patient. Also, make sure your browser settings allow pop-ups as the download might open a new window. If you're downloading a folder, right-click on the folder and select Download. Just like with multiple files, Google Drive will compress the folder into a zip file for you. This method is great for keeping your downloads organized and saves time when downloading multiple items. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.